A very good morning to all. In today's video, we will be studying the last two topics related to the heading of reflection. Okay, so in our previous video, what we discussed was the phenomena of reflection and how does it help us to see the object around us. And the next one was general terms related to reflection process. Okay, now in third topic, what we will study the types of reflection. Today we will be dealing with types of reflection and the laws of reflection. Okay, now let us start with types of reflection. So basically there are two types of reflection. First one is regular reflection. The very first is regular reflection. Now what is regular reflection? Okay, now the thing which you need to know related to regular reflection is that these type of reflection occurs only to those surface which is very smooth, plain, well polished. Is that clear? So it occurs when a beam of light falls on a smooth and polished surface such as plain mirror, जो बिल्कुल स्मूथ हो, वेल पॉलिश्ड हो, प्लेन हो, ऐसी सरफेस पे अगर रे ऑफ लाइट आके गिरती है और अगर ऐसे सरफेस से रिफ्लेक्शंस होते हैं, देन दैट पर्टिकुलर रिफ्लेक्शन इज नोन एज रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये सारी पैरेलल रेज आ रही है, ठीक है, इस प्लेन मिरर पे गिर रही है. सच दैट प्लेन मिरर वी ऑल नो, जो हम शीशा देखते हैं, दैट इज़ वेरी स्मूथ, प्लेन, वेल पॉलिश्ड. सो इससे जो रिफ्लेक्शन होगा ये इसी पैरेलल फॉर्म में ही होगा. मींस जो रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट भी होंगी वो एक दूसरे के पैरेलल ही होंगी, क्योंकि पैरेलल लाइट रेज आ रही थी, दे फॉल ऑन अ मिरर एंड गेट रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक. ओके, फॉलोइंग द laws of reflection, but since the surface was smooth, well polished, so the reflected rays are also parallel to each other. Is that clear? Now the next type of reflection we are going to discuss is irregular reflection. Now in irregular reflection, what we had is the surface was very smooth, plain and well polished, but in irregular reflections the surface is not smooth. That is, either it is rough or somehow a zigzag form of surface we consider. Now it occurs when a beam of light fall on a rough surface such as a wall of a room. Okay, now see here the parallel rays are coming. Though they are parallel rays, the incoming rays are parallel, but since they are falling on a rough surface, so they will be having the different degree of reflection, so they will be reflected at different angles. क्योंकि क्या है, जो surface है वो irregular है, रफ है, तो इसका रिफ्लेक्शन हो सकता किसी और एंगल से हो, इसका रिफ्लेक्शन किसी और एंगल से. अगर ये ऊपर थोड़ा सा लाइट गिर रही है तो अलग रिफ्लेक्शन होगा, अगर थोड़ा सा नीचे लाइट गिर रही है तो अलग रिफ्लेक्शन होगा. नाउ सिंस द सरफेस इज लाइक दिस, तो एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन फॉर द रेस विल ऑल्सो बी डिफरेंट, एंड हेंस जो आपको लाइट रेस है वो पैरेलल नहीं मिलेगी. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ the next what we are going to discuss is laws of reflection. The next our topic is laws of reflection. So basically there are two laws of reflection. The very first law of reflection states that the angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. Is that clear? And the second is the incident ray, the normal and the reflected all lie at the same plane at the point of incidence. Now let us clear one laws with the help of example. Now the first law is angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. Now I have already told you what is angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is the angle made between normal and incident. Is that clear? And the angle of reflection is the angle made between reflected ray and the normal. And the first law states that these two angles will always be equal, and if they are not equal, that means they are not verifying the process of reflection. Is that clear? The first law states that angle of incidence will always be equal to the angle of reflection. Is that clear? Angle of incidence will always be equal to angle of reflection. Now the second law what we have studied is The incident ray, the normal and the reflected all lie in the same plane at point of incidence. What does it say? कि ये जो incident ray है, ठीक है, ये जो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे हो रही है और जो ये नॉर्मल हमने 90 डिग्री पे ड्रॉ किया है, ये सबका प्लेन एक ही होगा भाई. ये प्लेन मिरर पे ही अगर सारे गिर रहे हैं, क्योंकि इंसिडेंट रे जिस मिरर पे गिरेगी उसी मिरर से रिफ्लेक्टेड रे निकलेगी और उसी मिरर पे नॉर्मल भी बनेगी. सो इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्लेक्टेड एंड द नॉर्मल, दे ऑल लाई इन द सेम plane. और सेम प्लेन पे किस पॉइंट पे? एट द पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस. इज दैट क्लियर? सो नाउ लेट अस कंक्लूड द टू laws together. So the laws of reflection together now we are studying is the angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection, the very first. And the next is the incident ray, the normal and the reflected all lie in the same plane at the point of incidence. Is that clear? Hope you understood the concept related to type of reflection and laws of reflection. Thank you.